If you're looking for a nighttime moisturizer and you want something that works really well, I think I have something for you, and it's great for anti-aging. Hi, I'm GloryB, and this is GloryB-TV, a lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. Many of you have probably heard of dermatology by now. It's dermatology without any vowels, and as a writer, I find that interesting. Anyway, we're always looking for a new marketing strategy, and dermatology chose to use only their consonants. So they make a lot of products, but recently they came out with a peptide night cream. They asked me to give it a try, and I want to tell you how it's working for me, especially because I'm 60 years old. I actually think this would be great for anybody over, say, 35 who wants a really good night cream that works well with serums, or even without. If you're not into serums, this could be something that works really well for you. The thing that makes this night cream different, and it's called the peptide night cream, is that it has 5 peptides. You usually don't find that many peptides in one cream. Usually you'll find 2 or 3, maybe sometimes 4, but you usually don't find 5 that are meant to work together. And this one also has 4 ceramides. And on top of that, it also has antioxidants in the form of vitamin E. And when 2 of the peptides are combined together, it makes what is called Matrixyl 3000. If you've ever used some other products from other lines, you've heard the term Matrixyl 3000, and that is from a couple of these peptides working together. Now, this peptide cream helps to boost collagen. It holds moisture really well. What I like about it too is it is completely unscented, which is so fantastic. I can't tell you how many night creams people want me to try and they're scented, and I can't handle the scent. So this is wonderful for that purpose. Also, it's creamy. So it's not super thick. It's not thin and liquidy. It's that perfect combination of creamy, and it absorbs into the skin very nicely. So you don't go to bed at night with a greasy, wet face. Now, I believe you can also use this in the day before you put on your sunscreen. If you've got certain signs of aging, you could just take a little dab of this, maybe use half as much as you do at night, and tap it. So for me, I'm just going to put it right over my makeup. It would be on the lines of my forehead, on the lines above my lip, and around my mouth. Now, when I received this, I was having some trouble with my skin based on some other things that I was testing, and I was having some dryness in here that was really bothering me, and a couple other places on the side. And I started using this, and I would say in about 3 or 4 days it resolved itself and it felt nice and soft. So all of that rough spot or dry spot or whatever it was completely gone. Now I just put this into my forehead, and it's absorbing really nicely. It's not sitting on top of my forehead. Of course, when I play back the video, I'll see what you see. I usually wear a little bit of a bang, but it doesn't sit on the skin to the point where if you go to bed and you lie on your side, you're going to get product on your pillowcase. So, you know, unless you go to bed immediately after putting on the moisturizer. But if you put it on and you've got another 5 minutes before you're lying on your pillow, you're going to be okay and not get any product. Because I'm always concerned about that with any kind of nighttime products, that it's coming off of my pillow. This is completely clear when it's on your skin, so you're not going to get any kind of mark on your pillow from the product. Now, Dermatology is a medical grade skincare company. If you want to try this, I also have a 20% discount code. I have it linked. There's a link below in the description box for you to click, and you can go to Dermatology's website and apply the discount code to get 20% off. So this is something that I think is totally worth a try. 20% off. You're going to have a good experience, I believe. And this is something that you can, like I said, use even in the morning, right before your sunscreen, and then for sure use it at night. Check out one of my other videos by clicking its image on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.